All right, guys, let's take a look at the driver assistance settings on the 2026 Kona. All right, everyone, this is how you can get to your driver assistance settings. You're gonna swipe left here. You're gonna go to setup. From here, you're gonna go to vehicle. You're gonna go to driver's assistance. Then you have driving convenience, which is for smart cruise control. Click on here. You have your distance, acceleration, reaction speed, and you can set it to your own preference. You have driving safety, which is your forward safety, provides a warning and when a vehicle control when a risk of forward collision is detected. You have forward safety warning timing here. So this is your warning timing. You have standard and you have late as well. You have lane safety, which basically if you go over the white line, yellow line, it'll take you back into the middle. You have blind spot safety here, which it'll give you a warning if there's anybody near your blind spot. Then you have safe exit, which it'll let you know if there's any oncoming vehicles when you are about to open the door. Here in driver attention warning, you have leading vehicle departure alert, which basically if you're in traffic or if you're not paying attention in front of you, when the car in front of you moves, it will let you know. Right here you have speed limit. You can actually do speed limit assist here, which adjusts the vehicle's speed based on the current roads of speed limit when operating the plus and minus switch. You have speed limit warning here, which it'll give you a warning on the cluster. And then you also have speed limit offset, which you can set it up there. Here you have parking safety settings, and you have rear cross traffic safety, which it will let you know there's a car passing by when you're backing up. You have camera settings here, which you have your extended rear view monitor. Keeps it playing the rear view when shifting from reverse to neutral to drive. It'll stay about 10-15 seconds around there. And then you have rear view parking guidelines, which these are the rear view parking guidelines there that'll help you, park straight. And then you have your display settings, which you can adjust the brightness. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, drop it below in the comments.